With everything going on with Twitter, and with my obvious affinity for the platform, I was reminded of one of the best websites ever created, Dwitter. Twitter's been around for a couple of years now and works like Twitter but with one key difference. Each tweet is created using only 140 characters of pure JavaScript that is then executed on a canvas. And I've seen some of the most amazing, breathtaking things on Twitter. Now, 140 characters isn't a lot to work with. It's supposed to be that way. The point is to make it a challenge to create something awesome within those limitations. Like I mentioned before, each Dweet is given its own HTML canvas to display graphics on, and everything in the Dweet is held within the function UT. There are also a few pieces of shorthand that you should be aware of. T is the time lapse in seconds, S, C, and T are sine, cosine, and tangent respectively, R generates RGBA strings, C is the canvas, and X is the 2D context of that canvas. And with these tools and limitations, it's pretty incredible what people are able to do. Twitter is one of those amazing sites where you'll find literally some of the most creative things on the entire internet, using some of the most advanced code syntax to squeeze every last character out of their tweets. Here are some really interesting examples I found. Raindrops, a view of Saturn. Whatever this is, I'm gonna stop trying to describe these, but here's some more amazing Dweets. You'll even come across really creative games, again, all written in 140 characters. And anyone can just jump in and write their own Dweet, even a younger me so many years ago. Though not that creative, I should say. So now I'm here to redeem myself with an amazing new Dweet, something so good it'll put me in the Twitter Hall of Fame. Or at least break my record of 3 awesomes. Ready? Okay, I went a little beyond the character limit here, and well, that's the thing. If you aren't very careful about your Dweet and the way you craft it from the beginning, things can quickly get out of hand. There's even this one text compression trick you'll see a lot of people use that can squeeze about 50-ish more characters for you, but even then I'm way beyond the limit here. So let me try something a little simpler for my first tweet. Close. There we go. Coming in at 139 characters, again, not that impressive. Writing cool tweets isn't easy, but I've also been reading through the guide on GitHub that taught me a few tricks that pulled me under the 139 mark here. So for the last few days, I've been messing around in Twitter, and I'm just not sure if anything I've created has been good enough to post. My Matrix tweet was way over the character limit, and by the time I even got it close to being able to post, it wasn't even cool anymore. Then my many flag tweet ideas, like Libya before 2011, was the only animated flag I could make. Otherwise, basically any other country was fair game to make, even Bhutan. But again, I didn't feel like these static images were worthy to be on the same platform as many of these other tweets. Well, maybe better than this one. But can you imagine my flag next to this? But after all my struggles, I've thought long and hard about what could be a tweet that puts me on the map. And then it came to me. One final tweet to rule them all. Oh hey, I broke my record.